Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I make 4 kinds of miso cuisine today. There must be people who don't use up the miso and leave it behind. I introduce 4 delicious miso dishes: miso soup, Chan-Yaki, miso rice bowl, and Dengaku. If you think this video is good, I would appreciate to push like, subscribe, and bell mark. Let's become a miso master. Let's get started. First, miso soup. I introduced miso soup in another video before, but I'll introduce a new delicious miso soup. This is only ingredients. Turnip and aburaage are very much for miso. Adding turnip leaves makes it even more delicious. And 4g dashi of bonito and 50g miso. So let's cook it. First, cut the turnip of leaves and peel off the turnip skin. Be careful not to cut yourself because it is small. Next, cut the turnip of leaves 5 cm width. And then cut the turnip in half and cut 1 cm width. Turnips are easy to melt when boiled, so larger ones are better. Then aburaage. Cut the aburaage crosswise and cut it 5mm width. All you have to do is prepare the ingredients. Let's boiling. Boil 500ml of water and add 4g dashi of bonito. It is convenient to have powder. That is very useful in my video. Then add the turnip and wait until boiling. When the boiling, add aburaage and turnip leaves. Boil for about 1 minute and turn off the heat. The vitamins contained in leaves are sensitive to heat, so it is better to turn off the heat when it gets a little hot. Wait until it cools down a bit. If you add the miso while it is hot, the aroma will be lost. So it is better to add it around 60 to 70 degrees. It will become a lump, so let's dissolve it little by little. And when it's served, it's complete. Let's eat. When I make Chan-Yaki. Chan-Yaki is very healthy and delicious dishes made with salmon and vegetables. You can use any vegetables, but I will introduce the common ingredients in Japan: onion, shimeji mushroom, cabbage, carrot, and ginger. And the dashi of bonito that just appeared. And miso and mayonnaise. It is usually made with butter, but I recommend to use mayonnaise for rich flavor. And sake. So let's cook it. First, peel off the carrot and cut 5 cm width. And cut 2mm width. And then cut lengthwise 2 cm width. Then onion. Cut the onion 1 cm width. You can enjoy the taste of the onion by cutting it thickly. And shimeji mushroom. The bottom part is hard, so cut it off. Next, cabbage. Cut the cabbage into 5 cm squares. Let's cut it into large pieces too. And ginger. Peel off the skin and cut 2mm width and slice 2mm width. It is okay to chop. Make miso sauce. Add 20 grams of miso and add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix well. The miso sauce is now complete. Let's get frying. First, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and turn on medium heat. And then fry the cut onion and carrots. Add the salt. As the moisture is visible will be released, the flavor will be absorbed more easily. Fry until the onion changes the color. Then add the ginger, cabbage, and shimeji mushroom. At this time, loosen the shimeji mushroom with hands. And then add 1 tablespoon of sake and 4 grams dashi of bonito. And mix. Then put the salmon and add the miso mayonnaise sauce. Add sake to dissolve the remaining miso sauce in the container. And turn on low heat, cover, and boil for 10 minutes. Good boiling! So let's serving. It looks delicious if you put the vegetable on the bottom and put the salmon on top. Be careful as the salmon can crumble easily. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Let's eat with miso soup. How about this delicious looking miso soup? The sweetness of aburaage and the melting texture of the turnip are the best. Great! And next, Chan-Yaki. Start with the salmon and then vegetable. Cole started with the miso mayonnaise and salmon. Very addicting! Miso soup is introduced in another video, so be sure to check it out. Next, miso rice bowl. I introduced it another video before, but it failed a little, so it's completed version. So let's cook it. First, I prepare the rice. You have to wash it to get the rice flavor. Another purpose is to make the rice absorb the moisture and cook it softly. If you wash it too hard, the rice will crumble. So stir it gently to wash off the rice flavor. Repeat about 3 times. In the case of Japanese rice, it is said that 400 ml of water is just right for 300 grams of rice. If there is a scale, I will put it in line with this. And add the soy sauce at this time. And then mix. So I set it the rice cooker and cook. After the cook, soy sauce colored rice is ready. And then mix the rice to steam once. And wait for 10 minutes. Steaming makes the rice fluffy. Try it when you usually cook rice. Prepare to make a rice bowl by covering the rice bowl with plastic wrap. Put the rice in and pinch the edge of the plastic wrap to seal the rice. And we hold. Ouch! It's freshly cooked, so it is very hot. I recommend let it cool down a bit before making it, while you do your best to make it. Like this. Ouch, ouch. I'll show you how to make a triangular rice bowl in another video, so be sure to check it out. You can make about 4 rice bowls with 300 grams of rice. After that, miso is applied to the surface. Let's apply the backside as well. This is not the end. At the end, bake a little. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and turn on low heat. When the surface is burned, flip it over. Be careful as the miso burns easily. This kind of baked color is best. Let's eat when we make another dish. The last is Dengaku. Dengaku is sweetener sauce with miso. I use eggplant today. It is necessary to use sugar, miso, sake, and mirin. So let's cook it. First, remove the top of eggplant and wash it. And cut diagonally 1 cm width. I use eggplant today. However, also use the Chan-Yaki or Japanese white radish in Japan. The eggplant will have scum, so soak it in the water for about 5 minutes. Let's make the sauce while we're waiting. 40 grams of miso and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of mirin and sake, and mix well. It is okay if it is not completely melted at this point. Once mixed to some extent, transfer to the pan and turn on low heat. At this point, it is watery, but it will thicken as it boils down. It is just right if fine bubbles appear like this. It's getting thicker and thicker, but it is still there. It is okay if the color becomes darker and thicker. And transfer to the container. The color of eggplant water has changed, so throw away the water and fry it. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and turn on medium heat and fry the eggplants. Cook until the brown on both sides. Like this. Then serving the plate. And add the Dengaku sauce. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
So first I eat miso dengaku. Can you imagine this miso flavor? Sweet and salty are best. Next, miso rice bowl. The savory miso flavor and soy sauce taste are delicious. Oh my goodness! There are endless ways to use miso. Let's make it! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!